Sup guys, thought I'd just come in with this quick video because it's a problem that I've been facing with my KRK monitors and no one really gave me an obvious solution, and I've just found one, so I thought I'd post this on YouTube. I don't normally do YouTube videos. But essentially one of my speakers was really low on volume. I had them both set to the same at the back, but for some reason one of them, no matter what I set this to, would come out really quiet, wouldn't have any bass to it, and just sounded like something was disconnected. Someone on YouTube said if you like wiggle this around, like just push it up or push it to the right, sometimes it can reconnect things, and that worked, but it didn't work for ages. So what I found was if you take this thing off, you'll see there's a little bolt just here. If you just tighten that, mine became quite loose, so I just got a wrench and just tightened that up, and then everything reconnected again. So give that a go.